so umpisahan na natin sa ating face. But before that, let me get some primer. I know it's really hot here in the Philippines, pero okay lang yon kasi this is a makeup tutorial purposes only. So, depende sa inyo kung magpa-primer kayo. But for me, I'm gonna do my primer first before I jump into the foundation. Okay, so for my primer, I think ang gamitin ko, this one is from COVERGIRL. This is the True Blend Base Business. Guys, medyo clear lang siya. So, carry lang yan. So, maglalagay lang ako ng konting amount sa face kung saan tayo malalaki yung pores at gusto nyo ma-protect yung ating skin. So, dyan ako maglalagay. Then, syempre huwag nyo kakalimutan i-blend. Bago nyo i-blend sa skin nyo, kailangan malinis inyong mga fingertips para walang bacteria or hindi tayo ma-infection. If you have a pimples, then blend nyo lang siya sa skin nyo ng bonggang-bongga. Okay, now for the foundation, gagamitin ko ulit yung pinaka-favorite kong foundation. As of the moment, this is from Bilena All Day Liquid Foundation. Kasi maganda yung coverage ito na binibigay niya sa ating face. So, ito yung kailangan natin today because we need a full coverage bitch here. So, maglalagay lang ako ng konting amount. I think 1 pump is enough. Then, lalagay ko lang siya sa aking face kung saan ko gustong ma-cover. Paggagamit ng blending sponge, so I'm gonna use my brush to buff the foundation. Okay, so magbe-bake ako ng underneath ng eyes, but before that, I'm gonna use a concealer first bago tayo mag-bake. Papatingin ako dito. Akala ko nandito yung lens ng camera, nandito pala. Okay, so ngayon maglalagay na tayo ng ating concealer. So gagamitin ko tong Detail Makeover na Intense Cover Concealer. This is in the shade Natural. Hindi siya super white sa skin. So, konti lang yung ilalagay ko para magkaroon lang tayo ng cover ng very, very light sa ilalim ng mata. Tapos, yung pimple natin dyan. Gilid ng ilong. Since may mga redness tayong nagaganap dyan, kaya huwag natin kakalimutang lagyan. Brow bone. Sa forehead. And of course, T-zone. Okay. Yan. Pag meron na kayo nyan, kukuha kayo ng concealer brush or kahit beauty blender. Then you're going to buff that out. Kailangan natin maging full coverage dito mga beshi. Tapos ang gagamitin kong powder today, this one is from Glam Skin Manila, yung kanilang Just Blend. This is in the shade Natural Beige. Gustong gusto ko tong powder nila nito kasi super pino yung powder at full coverage. So, yan. Tapal natin siya sa ilalim ng mata. Tapos ako, lagi ko nilalagyan yung buong ilong ko kasi since lagi ako nag-oily dyan, tatambakan natin siya ng loose powder. Okay, now to set our full face naman, gagamitin ko tong Vice Cosmetics in the shade Moreyna kasi to medyo pamagwa-warm yung ating face since medyo light yung skin natin. Ito naman, it will give you a very warm finish. So, parang mababalik niya yung natural skin niyo. So, kaya yan ang gagamitin natin. Okay, now for the brows naman, Detail Makeover na Makebrow Pencil in the shade, I think, dark brown. Ganito yung kanyang itsura. Gustong gusto ko to kasi para siyang Benefit. So, kukunin lang natin to to do our brows. So, if you guys are looking for the dupe ng Benefit Brow Pencil, I think this one is super perfect, super pigmented, saka ang ganda ng line niya. See? Okay, so bago tayo maglagay ng brow mascara, blend muna natin yung ating pencil. Kailangan ma-distribute niya yung product sa ating kilay. Okay, since maglalagay kasi tayo ng light hair today, so gagamitin ko tong What's Up Brow from Snoe in the shade Khaki. Medyo light yung kulay nito for my brows, but it's okay. Apply lang natin siya sa ating brows. After nyan, lilinisin natin yung ating kilay by using my favorite Snoe Cosmetics Concealing Me Softly. Ilan natin yung ating brows para maging snatch. There. Okay, since we're gonna do a very colorful makeup today, so ang gagamitin natin palette from Snoe. This is the Primaries Paint Palette. Yellow color first to do our transition shades. So, kukuha tayo ng yellow na eyeshadow para sa ating transition color. So, hindi tayo mag-orange, hindi tayo mag-pink, yellow muna. Tap off all the excess, tapos spread natin siya sa ating crease area. Next color is yung green naman. Ayan. Kunin natin yung green. Tapos, lalagay natin siya sa outer corner ng eyes. Now cut our crease using the Detail Pro Cut Foundation. So ang kukunin kong shade is yung pinaka-lightest shade. Then we're gonna start cutting our crease. Okay, so babalik tayo sa green na eyeshadow. Tapos, lagay nyo siya sa outer part again. There. And then also sa inner part ng eyes. Kuha tayo ng green na eyeshadow ulit. Tapos, yung cut ng crease doon, lalagyan natin siya ng green na eyeshadow. After nyan, kukuha tayo ng yellow na eyeshadow ulit. Babalik tayo dito. Then, we're gonna pat that yellow eyeshadow the center of your lids. Intensify our green eyeshadow. Kukunin natin yung black na eyeshadow dito. Tapos, lagay lang natin siya sa outer part ng eyes. Okay, for the lower lid, kailangan natin ng primer. So, naglagay ako ng primer ulit. Then, yellow color. Lagay natin sa center. Then, green eyeshadow para sa outer corner ng face. For the waterline, I'm gonna use a NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Black Bean. Kukuha tayo NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade White. Tapos, kuha tayo ng yellow. So, ganyan yung ating itsura. Bago tayo maglagay ng eyeliner, bago natin tapusin yung eyes, magko-contour mo tayo ng ating face, Detail Makeover Contour and Blush Palette. So, ito yung kukunin kong shade. Tapos, mag-i-start na tayong maglagay ng contour. Now for the blush, Vice Cosmetics and Manika. For the eyeliner, EB Advanced Matte Longwear Long Lasting Lip Liner. Maglalagay tayo ng mole. Okay guys, so ayan, nakapaglagay na ako ng lashes. I used the MS Fashion Boutique in S212. So ayan. And then for my mascara pala, gumamit ako ng Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara. Top and bottom lashes. So ngayon, maghahanap muna ako ng lipstick and I will be right back to you guys. For the lipstick, I'm gonna use a Chris Bernal She Got It Girl She Cosmetics in the shade So Chic. So ganito yung itsura niya. And I think perfect siya for this look. Okay, so nakalimutan ko maglagay ng highlighter. I'm gonna use my Sleek in shade Solstice. So, ang kukunin kong shade is ito.